Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences that will help you to speak English in a cinema. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. I would like to buy 2 tickets for the movie. What time is the movie going to start? Can you recommend any good movies? Do you have any movies in 3D? Can we sit in the middle row? Do you have any discounts for students? I would like to watch the latest action movie. Can I have some popcorn and a drink, please? Can we choose our seats? Do you have any VIP seats available? Is this a family-friendly movie? Can you turn up the volume a bit? Can we bring our own food and drinks? Can we get a refund if we don't like the movie? Can you recommend any good snacks? How long is the movie? What is the rating for this movie? Can we get a discount if we buy tickets in bulk? Can we use our credit card to buy tickets? Can we watch the movie with subtitles? I would like to watch a comedy movie. Can we bring our kids to watch the movie? Can we change our seats? What is the genre of this movie? Can we watch the movie in a private screening room? What is the running time of the movie? Is there an intermission during the movie? Can we get a senior citizen discount? Can we watch the movie in 4D? Can we watch the movie in a foreign language? Can you recommend any good movie theaters? Can we bring our own headphones for the movie? Do you have any movie posters for sale? Can we watch the movie on a big screen? How many theaters do you have in this cinema? Can you watch the movie with closed captions? Can you watch the movie on a private screen? Can we watch the movie in a group? Can we watch the movie in a balcony seat? Can we book the tickets in advance? Can we watch the movie in IMAX? Can we watch the movie in Dolby Atmos? Do you have any gift cards for the cinema? Can we watch the movie with audio description? Can we watch the movie in a reclining seat? Can we watch the movie in a luxury box? Can we watch the movie in a premium seat? Can we get a discount with a student ID? Can we watch the movie on a 3D screen? Can we watch the movie in a virtual reality room? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.